Okay, finally done. It ended up taking me forever to complete this video, but it's time for you to let me know if it's worthy of the $10,000 price tag.
It's okay. Yeah.